Hello and welcome back to the last part of this amazing Illidan vs Lich King diorama. In previous two videos I showed you how to make the base, how to apply snow and ice effect on the surface, and also we painted Illidan entirely with the wings, all the steps we saw how to do it in the video, and today we have to finish Lich King. Stay with me till end of the video. Let's see how it will come out. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. It will help us to grow faster and faster. If you have any question or recommendation, let me know in the comments. And also, if you have any question about the 3D printing configuration, the supports, exposure time, and all these details, let me know. And just to remind again, the base has been 3D printed with PLA Isan filament, the brand Isan, and the two figures, they have been 3D printed with ABS like Pro 2 resin from brand Anycubic, and the 3D printer is Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Pro. So let's start with Lich King.
My son, the day you were born, the very forests of Lordaeron whispered the name Arthas.
So before starting the video, I already added magnets in all the parts of the connection of this figure. As you see on both sides, I have added magnets, so it will be easy totally to mount and dismount whenever we want. Previous video I showed you, if you didn't see the video yet, I showed in Illidan's video how to add magnet in the connections of the figure. So to don't repeat the same content, I didn't show it again in this video. Now I will show you how I add sticks to these little parts. Since, for example, here, imagine this one, I want to apply the primer and start with painting. There is no extra place to hold it. If I hold like here, this part won't be painted. So usually with hot glue gun I add a stick here, so you can use metal, plastic, or even wooden stick. Just in this case I use metal, so it will be reusable whenever I want. I stick and I will hold with the stick easily. I will apply the paint.
Take it slow, my body saying yes, my head is saying no, no, no. What if I could let you go? My heart is saying yes, my head is saying no, 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 no. Yeah, maybe I should take it slow. slow, our body's saying yes, my head is saying no, no, no. What if I could let you go? Our heart is saying yes, my head is saying no, 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 no. I, yes, yes, no, 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 no. I, yes, yes. Yeah, maybe I should take it slow. My body's saying yes, my head is saying no, no, no. What if I could let you go? My heart is saying yes, my head is saying no, 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 no. Yeah, maybe I should take it slow. My body's saying yes, my head is saying no, no, no. What if I could let you go? My heart is saying yes, my head is saying no, 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 no. Yes, yes, no, 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 no. Yes, yes.
For painting the armor, shield and plate mail, based on the experience, the first layer I apply black color on all the entire figure. Let's say those parts which I want to have realistic metal effect. The second step will be dry brushing, probably for this figure since it has some ice theme. First I will dry brush cobalt metal, and then I will apply with sponge shiny silver on the top part. Here is the result about the clock. without using different color or dry brush or any type of method. I applied the shadow easily, the deep parts from more near and repeating 2-3 times, and from distant with airbrush applying the same paint and the rest of the parts, and it gives this beautiful shadow.
Yeah, maybe I should take it slow. My body's saying yes, my head is saying no, no, no. What if I could let you go? My heart is saying yes, my head is saying no, 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 no. Yeah, maybe I should take it slow. My body's saying yes, my head is saying no, no, no. What if I could let you go? My heart is saying yes, my head is saying no, 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 no. I, yes, yes, no, 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 no. I, yes, yes. Yeah, maybe I should take it slow. My body's saying yes, my head is saying no, no, no. What if I could let you go? My heart is saying yes, my head is saying no, 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 no. Yeah, maybe I should take it slow. My body's saying yes, my head is saying no, no, no. What if I could let you go? My heart is saying yes, my head is